Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today, we will be covering Microsoft's expansion to include Anthropic models in Office 365, Nvidia's announcement of their new Rubin CPX chip designed for video and software generation, and a judge's scrutiny of Anthropic's $1.5 billion copyright settlement with authors. Microsoft is reportedly planning to integrate Anthropic's Claude models into its Office 365 suite, according to information that surfaced yesterday afternoon. This represents a significant shift in Microsoft's AI strategy, as the company has primarily relied on OpenAI's technology for its productivity applications until now. According to Reuters, Microsoft will be using Anthropic's models, likely including Claude Sonnet 4, alongside OpenAI's models in applications like Word, Excel, Outlook, and PowerPoint. What's particularly interesting is that Microsoft will be accessing Anthropic's technology through AWS, despite the cloud rivalry between Microsoft and Amazon. Internal testing at Microsoft apparently showed that Claude performed better for certain tasks, particularly Excel automations and PowerPoint quality. However, a Microsoft spokesperson emphasized that OpenAI will continue to be our partner on frontier models, indicating this is an expansion of their AI portfolio rather than a replacement strategy. The formal announcement is expected in the coming weeks, and notably, Microsoft has stated that pricing for Office 365 will remain unchanged, despite the addition of these new AI capabilities. This move suggests Microsoft is adopting a multi-model approach to ensure the best AI experiences across its productivity suite, selecting specific models for tasks where they excel. In hardware news, Nvidia has unveiled a new AI chip called the Rubin CPX, specifically designed for video and software generation workloads. The announcement came yesterday, with Reuters publishing details around 1 p.m. Eastern Time. The Rubin CPX is particularly notable for its integrated video decode and encode capabilities, alongside powerful inference abilities that make it ideal for generating long-form video content and assisting with coding tasks. These are both rapidly growing areas in the AI space, with demand for video generation and AI coding assistance continuing to accelerate. According to Nvidia's roadmap, the Rubin CPX is part of their planned annual cadence of new chip releases extending into 2027, showing the company's commitment to maintaining its leadership position in AI hardware. The chip is designed to handle contexts of up to approximately 1 million tokens, which would be particularly valuable for processing and generating lengthy videos or large codebases. Nvidia expects the chip to be available by the end of 2026, and is projecting strong token revenue economics from these systems, suggesting they anticipate high demand from companies working on next-generation video AI and software development tools. This announcement extends Nvidia's already impressive roadmap and positions them to capitalize on the growing demand for specialized AI hardware beyond the current text-focused workloads. In legal news, a federal judge is taking a closer look at Anthropic's proposed $1.5 billion settlement with authors over copyright claims related to AI training data. During a hearing on September 8th, Judge William Alsup declined to approve the settlement in its current form and has ordered more detailed information. The settlement would compensate authors whose books were allegedly used to train Anthropic's AI models without permission. At approximately $3,000 per $500,000 downloaded books, this represents the first major AI training copyright settlement to face significant judicial scrutiny. Judge Alsup has requested detailed work and author lists by September 15th, with additional clarifications due by September 22nd. The judge's reluctance to immediately approve the settlement has drawn strong reactions from industry representatives. Maria Palante, president of the Association of American Publishers, expressed concern, stating that reluctance to give the parties time is troubling. Similarly, Mary Reisenberger, CEO of the Authors Guild, said she was shocked by the court's offhand suggestion regarding the settlement terms. This case is being closely watched as it could establish precedent for how AI companies compensate creators whose work is used for training purposes. The outcome may influence similar settlements in the future and potentially reshape the relationship between AI developers and content creators. The judge's scrutiny highlights the ongoing tension between rapid AI advancement and proper compensation for the intellectual property that helps make these systems possible. While the settlement would represent a significant payment to authors, the court wants to ensure the distribution mechanism is fair and properly documented before giving final approval. Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.